You're going to plead no contest to 6 charges. Is that your understanding?
Yes, sir, it is.
And it's to 3 counts of assault and battery. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days, $500 fine plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, I do.
And also to 3 counts of attempted resisting and obstructing a police officer. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration and a $1,000 fine plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, I do.
All right. Do you understand what a no contest plea is?
Barely.
Barely?
Yeah. Will you explain it?
Well, yeah, I could. Did you talk to your attorney about that?
We talked to chit chat, but it's never for my best interest. So I was like,
Pardon?
nothing. I said nothing.
No, what were you saying?
It's not for my best interest, so we just, agreed to disagree.
Okay.
I mean, he was saying that to see if I could get time to serve and go home today. I've been here almost a year straight. I got out and went to 3 different places and came back in like less than 2 weeks. Like, been here almost like a year straight. So for the same stuff, I was like, I don't understand.
Okay. All right.
Your Honor, may I give some background to this case just for the record?
Sure.
Your Honor, these matters, all 3 matters have been adjourned several times. Public defenders, including Mr. Bellinger, but also some of his colleagues, have worked very hard in getting a good resolution for Ms. Johnson. They've looked at different treatment courts. We have been communicating essentially nonstop on this case. They have beaten me up as much as they possibly will in getting this offer. The offer is not going to approve. With that said, I don't know if the counsel wants to approach it and we can discuss further, but I just wanted that on the record that this is not something that came about easily. It's not something we would normally just offer right away. And for somebody who has 3 pending cases of these natures, including CSC, assisting obstructing officers, and so on.
Sorry. Oh, I appreciate that. And I do recall that from these files. My concern is not that or that it's going to improve in any way, but making sure that this defendant understands what she's doing. I quite frankly believe it was explained. It may not. It's an interesting thing. Sometimes I'm sitting up here talking, but people aren't hearing me. And so that may have been the case here. But based upon the 2 things that she has said on the record, what I'm going to do if the people will leave the offer open is I will adjourn this out in a couple of weeks. So all of the issues that Ms. Johnson has that counsel can answer can be clarified.
Yes, Your Honor, we'll leave that open.
I think that'd be the best, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. So Ms. Johnson, here's what I'm going to do.
Okay.
Your attorneys are going to come see you again. All right.
Okay.
And the important thing
All
is that you listen to what they're telling you. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Been
And
on
if you
that.
have questions,
Okay.
and hold on. If you have questions and things, you got to make sure to ask them. And then I'm going to adjourn these out 2
Okay.
weeks. We'll come back and hopefully we can get this done. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.